Welcome back to Buff's Garage. It's still really cold outside. I mean, at least the snow's no longer on the ground, but it's way too cold to be playing outside. So we're gonna tackle a few inside things that we can work on. And we're gonna start with the key fob. You might be wondering why I'm not working on this car, and it's simply because I still haven't got a title for it. You can only go so many days without getting it registered and tagged, and yeah, so we need to get it tagged. So it is sitting until I can do that. On today's episode of Buff's Garage, we're gonna upgrade this key fob and hopefully make it work again. So I got this from Amazon. You can get these from eBay or some other online retailer. You can even get them from your dealership. But this is your key fob. This particular one is for the 1998 free Grand Prix that we got. And you can see the old fob has definitely been well used. So what we're going to do today is, because this doesn't work, we're going to replace this case, put a new battery in it, and hopefully get it working again. So you can look closely. This one's been all cracked up. And I won't say what causes this, but I can tell you a lot of people will take a screwdriver or a knife, or heck, even their key, and wedge it in here and try to pop this open. But I use little plastic tools like this, and I get in that seam and just give it a little twist. It's usually all it needs. I mean, even the button fell out. So here's this. It's sticky. We'll clean this up really quick and we'll put it in the new case. All right, we got our new case. It's got new buttons. It's just a little button pad. Push it back in there. Sometimes if your case is good, you can order just the buttons. But it was, I think, $4 maybe to get this whole set. So we got the whole setup. And you take this, and this is going to be where it touches onto your battery. So that goes like that. So there's your 4 button points there. Line that up. Put it with the back and give it a snap. So new buttons in the remote. Test it out. There's your lock, your unlock, and your trunk, and of course your alarm. I hope this helped somebody at least know how to change their battery. If not, also how to replace the whole case on the fob.